You okay? Ah, help us!
Hello and good morning, everyone.
Hey guys, today we are going for our final snowboarding trip of this season. We are going up to Cypress Mountain.
The weather is nice today. It's kind of cloudy, and the weather forecast, there's gonna be snowfall at Cypress.
So that's technically a little bit better if you're going snowboarding or skiing. There's gonna be a little bit more powdery snow, and hopefully we'll get some fun time.
Yesterday, we went to Costco to buy some discounted tickets.
We're actually planning to go up there around 2 p.m. and this morning we're gonna take some time to actually build up my snowboard, because if you guys remember from the previous vlogs, I bought a older, newer snowboard. It's a second-hand snowboard that I got from a guy. I haven't really put my bindings just yet, so I gotta get prepared. Let's go! So, we got our stuff ready, you got the snowboards over there, everything is in the bag. I think we're ready for snowboarding. Let's just all pretend that you haven't seen these jackets before and I'm not using this for everyday purposes.
Me too! I have a lot of pictures with this jacket, doing snowboarding, skiing, and all sorts of snow activities.
Weather is absolutely beautiful right now. Vancouver is just starting its spring season. I think this is the perfect timing to take advantage of going snowboarding before the season ends.
Before we head to the mountains, we're going to stop by a grocery to buy some snacks, water, and to gas up.
So it's always important to bring snacks when you're going up to the mountain, because you'll never know when you get hungry and you're gonna be burning a lot of calories up there. So just to be safe,
we bought some granola bars.
we're ready! So we have snacks, we gassed up our car, I think we gotta fuel ourselves too. So I think we're all geared up. Are you forgetting anything?
I don't think so. We're ready.
Now for tickets. So the tickets here in Cypress Mountain is about $60 to $70 per ticket. What we did, since we are a Costco member, we bought our tickets from Costco, which is about 20% off. You guys could do the same if you guys are Costco members. And sadly, this is as far as this camera is gonna be going.
We are going to switch to our DJI Osmo Action to prevent this from happening.
There's obviously a lot of people here today. We parked all the way at the back. Maybe it'll take us about 5 minutes just to get to the lodge. We got our official tickets. So most of the time when we get our tickets, we put it in this small pocket right here. Just so when you enter, you just tap in and beep.
How about mine?
Alright, here we go. There's a lot of people here today. I can't blame them because the weather's so nice. I think it's 2 degrees right now and the snow isn't melting and it's so sunny. We're not gonna be able to do many runs today, but I think let's just take our time and enjoy the view, right?
I just want to see the view up there. What's the hold up?
I don't know, it wasn't working.
Do you have anything else from like a phone maybe?
Granola bar. My ticket wasn't working because there was a granola bar in between the scanner and my ticket.
Too many stacks in your pocket.
So I think this is a new section right here in Cypress Mountain where if you don't have tickets and you just want to watch, they have a section here just for viewing. It's gonna be our first run. Are you ready?
I forgot how to. I'm nervous.
Look at the amount of snowmakers that they have here. It's like 15 of them. I guess that's for the whole mountain, right? I can't help but imagine that's like the bat signal. We haven't even started and I'm already tired.
Me too!
I'm actually fine just sitting around and just enjoying the view.
I can still feel the McDonald's in my stomach.
How is it? How's your first run?
I didn't fall! That's a good start.
Yeah. We are going to be trying out this midway chair, which is only for 2 riders. There's only 2 chairs for the lift.
Make me nervous. We haven't tried this one yet.
Yeah, I don't think we've ever tried this chair lift before.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
What was it? I thought I was going to die.
They stopped the whole chairlift because of Max. As we were trying to go in, I don't know, what happened to you?
I missed the chairlift.
And you were getting dragged over.
I was just dragging to the side.
You can see this chairlift is pretty old.
I think we need to put this with it.
Oh, oh okay.
Oh, safety first.
This chairlift is kind of unique because it's only 2 riders for only 2 riders. Usually for chairlifts that we've tried, the chairs are actually longer and you can fit 4 riders in.
I'm scared.
But this one,
look safe. Look. This looks so old. It has rust. Why did we ride here?
it also sways. Whenever the chairlift stops, it sways.
We are not going to ride this again.
Look how tight Max's grip is.
Holding for my dear life. Why is it not moving?
I think they're trying to get people in.
Ah!
Yeah, there we go. We're moving now.
Moving!
It's moving now. Here we go. We're closing in. Are you ready?
No.
Just let it slide. Let it glide. Let it push you out. You okay? Ah, help us! Look, you can see the road that we took earlier. Look at this view.
Maybe it's at the top.
Well, midway. Not the top, no, not yet. Photo shoot done! Could say that we came here for the photos and the videos. Not really the snowboarding.
Looking for the photos.
You ready? Here we go. Woo! Not here! What happened? yourself. How are you feeling?
Tired. My body hurts now.
We figured that we're not gonna go up to the top of the mountain today because there's a lot of people today and Max is feeling a little too tired now. The goal is to have fun, not to be sore tomorrow. One more. There you go. We've perfected it.
Third time's the charm.
That was a little bit easier because we had no one else in this chair. And this chair sits 4.
We have more room to move.
Let's see if we don't fall. So we think we're just gonna chill here for the rest of the day.
It's so cold!
Yep. We didn't take that into consideration. So I think we're gonna end it here, guys. It was fun getting to try snowboarding again. And for the last time for this season, right?
Yes! And we get to try a new lift today, which is the Midway. Plus, it's a good weather today.
It was only 2 degrees and pure sunshine. Hopefully we don't be sore tomorrow.
If you guys are new here, we'd love to keep you around. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.
And if you have any suggestions for the upcoming vlogs, let us know in the comment section down below.
Until then, see you on our next vlog.
And thanks for watching. Bye!